Hey y'all, welcome to Living Gratefully. Today we are making red velvet extreme cookies. These are going to be so easy and quick because that's the only recipes I like to make anyway, but also because as you can see, I'm in a wheelchair, so I need to make it quick. This video is part of a Valentine's dessert collab where a lot of beautiful YouTubers are coming together to bring you a ton of yummy Valentine's treats to help you celebrate love this month. The collab is hosted by Kristy over at Kristy's Farmhouse and Melissa over at I'm Merely Melissa. Thank you, Kristy and Melissa, for hosting us, and I'll have their channels linked in the description box as well as the entire Yummy Valentine Treat playlist, so be sure to check that out after you finish this one.
Stepping out, it's Friday night, how I'm longing for this day. Yes, I'm single.
This is my first video in a wheelchair, so it may seem strange to my regular followers, but I'm thankful to report that my MRI results showed some insufficiency fractures in my right hip, so I need to not have any weight on that leg and hip. I'm very thankful that we know what is causing the pain. We're hoping that keeping some weight off of that area will help it heal. It will probably take a while, but we're gonna get there. I tried crutches and a walker, but they were really hard on the rest of my body since my back and feet have been hurting too. So we're trying out this wheelchair that a sweet neighbor let me borrow. I am truly blessed to have such amazing friends and neighbors and subscribers like you. You all have been so encouraging and supportive, and I am a lucky girl. This is the very first full day in the Hot Wheels, as Scott is calling them, and I'm getting the hang of it. Everything takes longer, and as far as cooking, I was trying to plan ahead and have everything I needed so I didn't have to go around in circles, but it was not easy.
I'm gonna tell you right now, 'cause she's the one I'm thinking of. Hey, the only one I'm thinking of. Hey, she's everything I'm dreaming of. Hey, the one that I can live without. Oh, that smile makes me tripping out. I wanna dance with you.
I usually cut the bag with scissors, but it would have taken a long time for me to wheel over and get the scissors, so you can see me struggling to open this bag. How do you guys open these bags of brownies and cake mixes? I swear it is so much easier with scissors because I cut all the way across and dump it into the bowl instead of working the mix out of a little hole so slowly. I am just really impatient with this bag, but we got it done. And when I'm mixing, I need the leverage, and since I'm not standing up, you'll see me put the bowl in my lap. You got to do what you got to do. This is a really easy recipe. We're using the red velvet cake mix with 2 eggs and a stick of melted butter to make the cookies. Then I like to add white chocolate chips. I think the white chocolate chips make so many cookies taste good. I have added them to pumpkin spice cookies. I've added them to the lemon cake mix cookies, which are really good. Then we'll take some buttercream icing and make these cookies extreme. Okay, you guys, Scott brought me some lunch. I enjoyed that. And these cookies are done, the first pan. I have more to make, but it's 1 o'clock and I need to sign on to work. So I'm going to put that in the fridge. We can make those later. I have one batch done. I want to pack those up. Scott is going to Danville tonight to have dinner with family, and I want him to be able to take some cookies with him. So these will be cooling. We can pack them up after he gets off work.
I've been all around the world.
Do you feel like a lucky person? I hope so. There is this thing going around where people are talking about the lucky girl syndrome, and it's basically where if you think you're lucky, then you are, which I think is basically the same as living gratefully in my mind. If I live grateful and I'm grateful for my blessings, I feel so happy and it seems like nothing can go wrong. On the other hand, if I focus on the bad things that are happening or focus on the fact that I can't move around like I used to, for now it's just temporary, it can get me down and I can feel like bad things are happening all around me. So I'll try to be thankful and feel blessed and live gratefully and know that God loves me, and I'll feel more lucky and feel like everything is going to be all right. That's my 2 cents on the lucky girl syndrome. Comment down below if you feel lucky, how you feel about all that. I would love to hear from you. And I do hope that you know that God loves you forever. As he states in Romans 8:38-39, he says, you are loved forever. And it's a good feeling to be loved.
Every city, every place. Always been a restless girl. But now there's a wind of change. I've never ever felt this way. Longing for you, pick up the phone. Catching a flight, I'm coming home. Back to the place I've always known. Home.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget about the collab playlist. It's going to have so many good Valentine's treats. I can't wait to watch it myself over and over again, get some good ideas. Thank you for watching me cook in a wheelchair. Subscribe to Living Gratefully if you're new. Welcome, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.